Hey guys, it's Nabil from Topaz. Hope you're doing well. Today we've got something really cool in. It's from a repeat customer and we've seen quite a few of these cars. Have a look behind me. It's the Singer. With this car we've done a few of them already, as I mentioned previously. But the difference is, although we've done quite a few of them, every single car has a slight variation. So we will need to make sure that we template for the actual car itself, rather than having it as a generic template. Let's have a look around the car and tell you a bit more about the patterns and what we've done here. I want to show you the amount of detail that Singer go into when they're doing their cars. Well, that's what I love about this car specifically. It really matches the level of OCD that we have. I mean, have a look at this engine bay and all the quilted leather that's inside. Also, have a look at the interior. The interior is done magnificently and it's absolutely perfect. And that's what I love about it. You can have an old, classic looking car, but everything is brand spanking new and modernized. So hats off to Singer. Absolutely love this car.
Here I stand, I know I walked away, had to find the person I'd become. You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. It's been there all along. You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. That's where you belong.